Hello everyone, here we are at the Mitro Cafe, Kormangla, Bangalore. So Mitro Cafe काफ़ी famous है कोलकाता में, and now they have opened their branch here. And I am here on a Sunday, and it's about 7 p.m. and that's when they open their restaurants in the evening. So we're gonna try a few dishes. Now let's jump onto the menu. So here we have the Mitro Cafe menu, and this is the starter section. You have main course and quite of a big menu, you know. So if you are coming here, I would always suggest that try fish fry and try this kobiraji, fish kobiraji, or you can take prawns or another kobiraji. I'll show you because we are going to order kobiraji and you'll see how it looks. And I just heard from the waiter that this is the exact menu of Kolkata's restaurant, Kolkata's branch, so there's no changes in price. So for Bangalore, these are pretty reasonable prices, you know. A fish fry you get for 145, it's pretty good. The best part about Bengali cuisine is there are n number of combinations and versatilities in veg dishes. So now if you come in here, this is the main course section, and you are going to see a lot of crazy things. The video is gonna go too long if I'm gonna cover each of them, but I would say that in fish you can try any of them. To show you something very crazy about this place, just see how many dishes that you see in Chinese here. This is one page full of Chinese dishes separated by soups, starters, salt and pepper. Then you have chili dry, kung pao dry, and then you have the noodles. Doesn't end here. You have another section of Chinese fried rice, pan fried, American chopsy, Chinese grey prawns, Chinese veg, Chinese chicken, Chinese fish, and you have seafood special as well. So in Chinese they just have 4 pages, so I think this is a very good choice if you want to have Chinese as well. Now this is the last page of the food menu apart from the beverage. So this is something a very good deal. So here you see, this is Damodar Seth mutton thali, which is of 350, and you have steamed rice pulao, moong dal, aloo bhujia, shukto, which is again a mixed veg gravy, and khashi mangsho, and then you have chutney, papad, sweet and pan. You get this for 350, while you have mutton dishes which are for somewhere around 500 or 400. Babda thali, you have pomfret thali, you have chingri thali. Chingri is prawns. Ilish thali. Ilish is hilsa in South India they call. So chicken standard thali, and then you have mutton thali. And the difference between chicken and a mutton thali is only 25 rupees. Can you imagine? So that's why I recommend that this is a very good set menu. So our starters have arrived. You see, this is the fish fry, and it's a very decent size, you know. So you have salad here, and this is mustard sauce, and here we have the kobiraji. Let's try out our fish fry and see how it looks. You see the smile on my face, that's just because of the cat's taste. So let me finish this up and then I'll show you the other stuffs, and I'll now relish and eat. Let me just try this. So this is how it looks, and this is what you will see. You have the chicken inside and the egg outside. This is like authentic Kolkata food. Like before, if I had to have authentic Kolkata food, I had to actually go back to my home and experience it. But after Mitro Cafe, I think it's a great place to come here and just at least have these snacks. Raj Nandini Pulao. Yeah, this looks like biryani rice, you know, as they were telling about. And then we have the mutton kasha. So this is our mutton here. The pulao is very pregnant, and there is a little sweet texture to the pulao, and the mutton kasha, chattogram mutton kasha, not too spicy, but it's perfect, you know. Pulao and mutton kasha is a very famous combination and common combination in Kolkata, so you must try that. And if I show you the mutton, you see, this is how well cooked the mutton is. Just falls off. So we have the manager of Mitro Cafe here. দাদা কিছু পুজোর জন্য কিছু স্পেশাল
আমরা ভেবেছি যে কলকাতায় যেমন আমরা বিশাল থালি করি, এখানে আমরা বিশাল থালি রাখবো, এলিভেটেড মেনু থাকবে। এছাড়া আপনারা অনেকে কী হয় থালিতে পছন্দ করে না, ওই জন্য আমরা আলাদা করে আপনার ফ্রাই আইটেম, তন্দুরের আইটেম, চাইনিজ আইটেম সবই পাবেন। আর এসে যেন আমরা ফ্রিতে না হয়, সব রকম আইটেমই পাবেন এবং একটা মহা থালিও পাবেন।
মহা থালি। Okay, so there are a lot of things. I'm gonna give subtitles to what he said, but definitely this is an option, a good option for you during the pujas to come here and spend your evening. So we have our bill here, which looks pretty decent, you know. This is the approximate budget that you can go for. We are done with our today's dinner, and I think it's time to wrap up this video. And it was a great evening, great place, great service, great food. So this is my recommendation for sure for all the Bengalis out there who are planning for their Durga Puja. So thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for my channel Kitchen with Conscience. Good night.